Hello, this is Cindy Best from Best Law Firm. This particular document is the Family Court Acceptance of Service. In this particular situation, Ross Chandler has filed for divorce against his wife Rachel Chandler, who is the respondent. So at the top of the page, she'll type in her name or handwrite it, it doesn't really matter, and give her address and her phone number so the court knows how to contact her. And she is going to decide whether she wants to actually accept service of these documents. It's a least intrusive way and perhaps inexpensive way to tell the court that you did in fact receive the documents that Ross gave to you. You do not have to sign this document, but then he'll have to figure out another way to serve you, which could be through certified mail or actually hiring a process server. It doesn't mean you agree with any of these documents, it just means that you actually receive them. It's also important to note that once you agree that you receive these documents, that you will then have 20 days if you're in state to file a responsive pleading. And also once you sign this document and you accept service, there's a temporary injunction in place, and you'll see all that with the paperwork that you received. It's the third document in this list, and you'll want to read that preliminary injunction notice and go through it very carefully. We have a separate video on the preliminary injunction. And as always, if you have any questions about legal matters in family law, you should call an experienced family law attorney such as Best Law Firm at 480-219-2433. This video does not take the place of experienced legal advice or consultation. And if you ever have any questions, you should consult with counsel. You go through this document and you go to page 2, and you'll check any of the boxes that are appropriate that you would like to check. If you accept this under 2, it says that you waive formal service by a sheriff or a process server, and it's just like you were personally served. And if you'll go through here, number 3 is very important for you to recognize that once you accept these court papers, you have 20 days to respond, or 30 days if you're somewhere other than in Arizona. Now, number 4, this is what you do not want to have happen. Most likely, you do not want a default judgment. So you will want to make sure that you don't lose your right to talk about the property and the custody and the matters that you want by filing this document. So make sure you consider filing this document. It's very important. Here's also a chance for you to have the court restore your name, or tell the court you want to have your name restored. You'll have this signed and you'll have it notarized, and then either you or Mr. Chandler can file this with the court so they know that it's been that you've received all of these papers. But make a copy for your personal records as well. Again, this is Cindy Best from Best Law Firm. Thank you.